Obisan fe mo bibi akwa wasrongo so e de bagana info TV so enene da wani abo channel yi eso adaroma e ma review so be subscribe e de amaye na fin so click notification bell no so e basa na update bia e de betum bia no wonsa e be kebu na odi kan ya wonsa ebe kebi wonsa ka video yin so anu ahye ama wonu ebinsan so etumi akabi na fin so like him ensem bi circulator system no so eje no home na papa awbia atuna no eguso bia ehwe na adwen ensem ne de aya na edoso nenso de edoso no se bi yuntumi sisa ne nyina ambrem ye hwede no kurewum ne de bi ababesomo Kevin Taylor honsem twene Jonas amampanyin honsem obi bia sofo oyom hwan asem ne nya betomu dia ye de bi babesom ye dofom ene ahwefo nyina and in some security or media no so ye going to shibimba.
Mr. It is God ordained. They will win the elections with 50.6% and 142 MPs. But shock the people of this country.
Why were they shocked?
Because Obin was there wire analysis in various regions and constituencies. Work from could be nation seeing global. No, you analytical. One was there will be 54%. My national chairman book at the amount watch I see there. Watch a push. Yeah. Yes, yes, or motto. I am a NPP. What about politics? When you what entails organization of a political party towards elections. But I can tell you there are two personalities here. They are unique. Munkan was MP there, ma Kwame Nkrumah, but that ticket is for Ghana. It is not for NPP. As I remember the mama Kwame Nkrumah in there, the Bawumia NAPO ticket. It is not for NPP, but for people of Ghana.
You mean the Baupo?
The Baupo. Kwame.
Allotey.
And
then Monsieur TV. Fiti national program national city Konewi. That's why I love Asante. He speaks his mind. That's why people hate. No. Onyedo Oji Obiko.
He speaks his mind. Onji Obiako.
No, Onji Obiako in there. Oji Obika. Important in the only Ochudam Nyangupan. Nyangupan pay. Not in the cow. Because Nyangupan who created the story
throughout his speech
to be what it is today.
Throughout his speech, making them.
And now you look at him and he say, of King Solomon. Because
he's the first to know.
He says it as it is.
Don't be distracted by Kwame. Because of
Kwame.
Allotey.
Obiala. Opia here traditional institution. Yeah. Yesterday was a day. Asante ne personality elevation across the bar. He should keep it up. Bio. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia was showing gratitude because you know the NLM was formed from the Ashanti Palace. Yeah, your former agri minister in the Papa. Not so NLM. And the Northern People's Party, like I told you last week, the election of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia as the flag bearer of the NPP and nominating Matthew Boku Prempe, it is like the rebirth of the Northern People's Party in the New Patriotic Party. And see, a few organizations with papa some person because person na politics in the NPP for one first me that NPP dam na it was it's about yakuka wo fie especially with my next door neighbors necessarily semi abaya flag bearer na audition and the Asante again it was extraordinary Nana ya Ajiman Prempe the second on Hene Nana ni Matthew Poku Prempe Ntinka ye nuanom na mebedi onana na de mina na you see it is telling the Ashanti people that once our baby that's all that is the image that Asante created to his traditional or his kinship and his paramountcies, the 62 or 65 paramountcies. Charlie, here's he. And you cannot fault him because he been to go on what you work there. He is your role in the party into one support. I want supporting you and any
Caution.
Oh, caution me, but you know, it's a topic of discussion every day in and out in our daily social platforms.
All I'm suggesting is that for one year a manifest clear cut endorsement.
You have to read your voice, please.
1 year a clear cut manifest endorsement of running mate NAPO. Did he?
He did.
He did.
He's telling you there. Or you need for blood lineage and
interpretation.
Yes, that is our interpretation. That is the African way of interpreting what happened yesterday.
Not listening to me.
Your question. Your question. Monko boxing.
In principle, he's against chiefs sitting in public and declaring support for candidates. He's on record.
Yes. Yes.
Because he's a wise.
Yeah, he's a wise king.
Well, I say chief.
Yeah.
Or paramount chief.
He's a wise king.
Or Tufo or Asante Hene. That's what I say.
Good. Yes. But he's a wise king. And see, your caution, who cautioning Muslim, but he's a wise king.
Thank you.
And see, there was that platform that was created for the two candidates walk on contest 7 December elections. Now watch baby in Suno Ofi. No otumiche no su na ne ban. Ogodi baby one very ni way wajini chair Asante man ma okro adi Jubilee Park one. Men get a bishi. Men get a bishi.
Ghpagetv.
It's one of those things. I won't fault him because of where he's coming from. Or you do money. Or you do money. And see, or Kasa de do money. Because it looks like the NDC is now taking the title of being the current CPP.
Which he cannot.
Oh, I'm Maba, German Kasaba. And say, Dr. NAPO, no, Kasa de Domoyi. You're coming from one coming from Manipo. The word is one coming from Manipo. But, say, analysis what he said was right, because if you're a man and I go for or Ghana, what do you come from? The man was here and I go for. He's done so well. Yeah, you're tia. See the NPP for no one to Munka Aja, one president for 8 years and 7.5 years obey. Why? But look, clearly, you see it. If people in the again. Only me that sense of Butuma, maybe Zama Ghana money, or you know, catch a highway so. In some way, you can go platform you do. Wati, Wafa, Waye. And that is the result that every Ghanaian wants. To them, all the free SHS now those days in you're organizing go for the free SHS or 419. You compare the free SHS, Obogu, free SHS. Why a darling baby also muda. But free SHS. Oh, do. And say, NAPO can't say it wasn't in a good context. But all the same in or a political rhetoric. All the same in he's saying it because of where he's coming from. But I would wish. I mean, I don't see why we should castigate him because of his language, because he's always assertive, because he speaks his mind, because he analyzed to them people's MPK. The honors and intellectual discourse. I think or Morty, he's good at that. He's hardworking. Or to them. Into Grammy.
Allotey.
Yesterday was 9th. And then we were 10th. And to them will be also messaging. Also, this one too shall pass. But I'm just there. Caution out there is in my name and I'm putting there. Oh, mama, no what time? Obiala of what personality? Obia of what that strong at the will. We are on the same time. Nagana politics in propaganda now do so.
Allotey next woman.
Na when the ticket in the extraordinary ticket. Obama go for sleepless night. Nti washadane wahwe no movement no waiting no wahwe asem obaka ba me de masa ni there say royin bagade slip of tongue odu no western region to no roko na odu western region I mean
we any video ya eje no home na social media no eso Ghana infi yakakofa ye dibi ababe som mo wo video ni wi am remfi se obekire wadwen e wo comment section on e di amame na afin so like video no wa share ama woni ebi nsan so etumi akabie boa emejuma no etumpom Ghana info ye bi yap na to ama say ejuma bi a wo ye na apese enya ho advert enfama no fa number na gu screen so ne free any mpanifo enjotwe enkomo e bi afre number no so na se won san kan obi anso a obetumi afra fa number we so 0595380640 0595380640 na afin so woni mpanifo atwehwe enkomo ne edi dwumadi no edi ama fe midin ena na ekua kuno du sikapa otiko koso tibro koso na mekram